How to initial login or set up login PIN for TruckX driver's logbook app on wired ELD. Once added as a driver in the FMS by the owner, you will receive a 4-digit TruckX verification code on your cell phone. Use this code to create your 5-digit login PIN for future logins. Find and tap on the TruckX driver's logbook app on the homepage of the wired ELD tablet. Input your cell phone number entered by the admin in FMS while registering you as a driver, along with the DOT number. Tap on Continue. Input the 4-digit verification PIN received on your cell phone via text message. And create your 5-digit login PIN, then tap on Set PIN. A confirmation screen will appear, indicating PIN reset successful. Yay! You are now successfully logged into the TruckX driver's logbook app and your logbook will be shown as connected.